Solo camping as a woman is an empowering adventure that brings freedom, confidence, and a deeper connection with nature. It all starts with careful planning, choosing a safe location, preparing essential gear, and letting someone trusted know your itinerary. Once at camp, embrace the solitude. Listen to the sounds of the forest, watch the stars, and enjoy a delicious meal cooked over a fire. Each challenge faced alone becomes a story of resilience, leaving you with unforgettable memories and newfound inner strength.